Hello and welcome to day 15 of the meditation challenge. We are halfway through now and it's time for the second part of the challenge. So the first 15 days you got to try different meditation styles, and now it's time to decide on your favorite and do it for the next part of the challenge, so for the next 15 days. But we will start slow with just 5 minutes. What's also different is that the first part, the meditations were guided, but now they will be unguided. So you will hear a bell, and then there will be a meditation timer on the screen, and you will hear a bell again when it's time to open your eyes. And if you are completely new here and you just wanted a 5-minute meditation, then you are also welcome, and you can just choose any meditation style that you want. But regardless of which anchor point you choose, we want your back to be straight. Tuck in the chin and breathe through your nose. So in and out through your nose. Before we start, let's roll the shoulders back a bit so there's no tension. And then we can also do some neck rolls slowly. And then switch direction. And let's get into the meditation. Slowly open your eyes. Thanks for joining me for this 5-minute meditation. Next time we will step it up with a few more minutes. See you in the next video and have a beautiful day.